guys, what is going on? Today we are going to be playing Christmas Droppers, and if you enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Hey guys, what is going on? Today we are going to be playing Droppers, Christmas Droppers to be exact. This is my second time playing this, actually. I played this a couple days ago just to see, what it's all about, but this is my second time playing it, so I'm probably going to be able to, same. I think we're going to start on level 1, obviously. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure there's new blocks. Yeah, like these new blocks. Because I think we're just going to drop down here. Dropper level 1. You have 60 seconds to complete this. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Go. Again, this is my first or second time playing it. I hope I make... Alright, let's do this one more time. Attempt number 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, ooh, that's so close. So freaking close. Or flipping, should I say. Okay, I think we can make this on the third try. Hopefully. Now, everybody who's played Droppers before probably think, are you kidding me? This is so easy. Yeah, this is my first Dropper I've actually played before. So that's why I might be a little bit, like rusty or like not good. But yeah, so we're just gonna try for the first time. Fourth time is the charm, I guess. Not really. Let's go. Oh, one block further. Alright, attempt number 5. Let's go. Bam. Alright. Ooh, yeah, I was so close. Alright, this is probably like, you guys are probably like, why can this guy not get it? Yeah, same with me. I don't know why I can't get this. This is so easy. Again though, bang, there we go. You did it. Now I think we're gonna go through this portal again. Level 1 completed successfully. So let's go to level 2. This one looks cool. Dropper level 2. You have 60 seconds to complete this level. Let's try this one more time. I mean, not one more time because of the... Yeah, whatever. Alright, let's keep going. Bam! So close. Flip, dude. Alright, let's do this one more time. I think this will be the time. Hopefully. Let's do this successfully. Oh, didn't even see that coming. Alright, attempt number 3. Dropper level 2. Hopefully we can get this. In the last video, I'm sorry, that just really sucked. Again, I might do a part 2 of that if it gets enough likes. There we go. Or views, I guess. Likes, actually. Alright, so let's see. level 3. Let's go. This is a lot faster than I did it last time, so that is good, but yeah. So let's do this. 1. Bam, alright. So that sucked. Yeah. See, if only that block wasn't there. I know, like that block, that block right there. Right there. Ooh, see, if that block wasn't there, I probably could have smoked this one. Alright, time number 3. Alright, let's go. Well, I think if I go right here, maybe. Yeah, no. See that freaking block, bro, right there. I just want to destroy it. It's too bad I'm in adventure mode. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep trying. Ooh, that really sucked, didn't it? Alright. You know, maybe next time I might actually. I was gonna say I might do a build battle, but I don't have any friends. I'm just joking, I have friends. But alright, let's just keep trying. I just don't really know if we're free to do this. To do a build battle, so yes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Alright, so I know we're only on the 3rd level. I think we might stop it on the 4th, turning on how quick we finish this. So yeah. Let's do this. Alright, I think that's going to stop it. I think that's going to wrap it up. Guys, if you want to see a part 2 to this, just remember to leave a like, and we will do it. I think my goal for my new YouTube channel is to just get like 50 subscribers, because pretty sure I only have like 6 right now. Somehow I only have 3 videos, but yeah. I think that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow in a brand new Minecraft video.